January 19th, Saints Marius, Martha, Audifax, and Abachum. This was a family of noble Persians, all martyred together for the Catholic faith. Martyrs, a nobleman of Persia, with his wife Martha and two sons, Audifax and Abachum, being converted to the faith, distributed his fortune among the poor, as the primitive Christians did at Jerusalem, and came to Rome to visit the tombs of the apostles. The Emperor Claudius was persecuting the church in Rome, and by his order a great number of Christians were shut up in the amphitheater and shot to death with arrows, and their bodies burnt. Our saints of today gathered their buried ashes with respect, for which they were apprehended, and after many torments under the governor, Martyrs and his two sons were beheaded, and Martha was drowned 13 miles from Rome at a place now called Santa Nifa. A Roman lady named Felicitas, having succeeded in securing the half-consumed remains of the father and sons, and also the mother's body from the well, had the sacred relics secretly interned in a catacomb. There, their relics were found in Rome in the year 1590. The saints of today are mentioned with distinction in all Western martyrologies from the writings of Saint Gregory. Today their relics are primarily kept at Rome, part in the church of Saint Adrian, part in that of Saint Charles, and in Saint John of Claybite. The martyrs triumphed over the devil by prayer. By this, poor and weak as they were rendered invincible by engaging omnipotence itself. Prayer was in them the channel of all graces, the means of attaining all virtues, and all the treasures of heaven. Let us fervently ask Christ for the strength and graces to successfully reach everlasting life.